What is going on, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. Today's video I'm going to share with you my progress on the one-arm pull-up, and unfortunately it's not going as I expected. So first things first, I wanted to do the one-arm pull-up. I had an awesome exercise where I used some contraptions, a carabiner and a climbing gear in order to make myself lighter and in order to really mimic the one-arm pull-up. And that exercise was so awesome, but I attracted a nasty case of elbow tendonitis, as I already said. I overcame that. Then during jiu-jitsu, somebody just like flew on my shoulder and I tweaked my shoulder. Not badly, but badly enough for me not to be able to do pull-ups. As a matter of fact, I was not able to do shrugs. Even just doing this right now, I feel something is like struggling or something is not just the way it's supposed to be. Yeah, that set me back a lot. That meant 3 months of not being able to do pull-ups. We're already March. Time flies, guys. What's the status? Well, the one arm part of the one arm pull-up is not really progressing, but I am progressing back and doing pull-ups. And what's strange enough is that when I've been doing pull-ups every single week for years, right? And all of a sudden I stop for 3 months and I have to do pull-ups again, and it feels so damn difficult. It's like my muscles are aching, everything is just so heavy, and whew, boy, it's an eye-opener. So yeah, we're building back up the ring pull-ups because I feel like ring pull-ups give you the freedom in your shoulder that you need in order to heal, and that is going to be something I'm going to do going forward. And I also experimented with weighted pull-ups, and weighted pull-ups I was able to do 24 kilograms for 3 repetitions. So that's going good. But if you want to mimic the one-arm pull-up, which you probably need like 50 to 70 kilos for, that's going to be a journey. So yeah, the key takeaway of this video is that you should not push through your injuries. And even though you have a big goal that you really want to chase, like I really want the one-arm pull-up, I'm not gonna chase that goal and neglect the health of my body. And frankly, if you chase that goal and you neglect the health of your body, chances are you're not going to even get to that goal because your body will not be able to heal properly and you won't be able to have the strength to do that exercise or to do whatever you set your mind to. So yeah, don't push through injuries, be smart about it, and hopefully you can build back up and build back up stronger, because sometimes I have that. I play with my own mind. I'm like, yeah, if I just push through that, next week will be better. And then I push through that again, and all of a sudden you're injured and you don't know what happened. So yeah, now with my shoulder, it was an acute injury, so I know what happened, but still, be smart about it, let your body heal, and it will become stronger afterwards. Don't push through it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. Also, let me know in the comments down below how your one-arm pull-up progress is going. Unfortunately, mine is not going well, but I'm curious to see how yours is going. So let me know in the comments down below. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Paisa!